We are going to write about some words which are in the shape of shosha and dandana. First word I am going to write in Urdu, we can say istemal. These three are dandanas, and this is shosha, which is upper side. You can see the difference between shosha and dandana. These three are dandanas, and this is one shosha only used in this word. Next word is hospital or aspatal. If you write it with alif, you can write in this way. This is hospital, aspatal in Urdu. Next word is it's that hospital. You can write this word in this way, hospital. If you are traveling, you can see in different places this word is written in this form, and also hospital is also written. Next word which is we are going to write is about mustaqil. You can see that in this word seen is for dandanas and te is written in shosha. Next word which is a little bit different, istiqlal. Difference between shosha and dandanas, you can see that this is shosha and these are dandanas. Next word is jalebi. You can write it in this shape, but if you write the plural of jalebi, you can write in this way, jalebiyan. You can see that in the for yai is right shosha, and in jalebiyan shosha is written for be. Jalebiyan. Difference between these two words, note it. Every word has its own shape. As you see that jalebi is shosha is written in the for ye, and in jalebiyan the shosha is written for be. Shosha has gone in next word. Now again look for another word. This word is called takhsis. In this word you can't write shosha, as in next word I am going to tell you that if you write mazboot, If you don't write this dandana, you can't say that this is zod, another dandana, and be mazboot. If you check this word in computer, you can check it. Computer will write in this way. This word has not shosha. Next word which I am going to write is musibat. You can write this word in this formation. Musibat. Shosha is written for ye, and be is in. You can say that the this rule is used in different words, which is called leti re or padi re. Musibat word is the Musibat word has one shosha and different dandanas, meme, swad, and it's another. And for bay is also dandana used. Next word is hakikat. This in this way, this is also written uh, for the joining of the. Leti re is written for joining of the hakikat. Next word is if you are going to write a long word, you can start from upper side the line. If you start this word from that side, you can go uh, much down in the line. That way is not good. I am writing. I write Jamil. It has only one dandana. Sabir. It has no shosha. In this word, you can say that is shosha is used for dal, sadaqat, and other word is salahiyat. You can't write shosha in this word. You write only letire for joining te and ye at the end of this word. Salahiyat, samaat. This word has not any shosha. Next is next word is tamsil, which has a shosha only for say. Tamsil. Next word, as you see that next word is also barwazan tamsil, but we can't write any shosha for tafsil. We will write for it later. Another word we are going to write, which is very beautiful word, khasusiyat. This word also has no shosha, khasusiyat. Some some people write aksar and they write a dandana between these two, but you can't write if madda has come in this way. You can't write dandana. We are going to write aksariyat as the lafz is doctor. In these words you can't write shosha. In this way shosha is present in this way. Tractor. Last word is sanjida. After three dandanas of scene, you can write known as madda, also sanjida. I think I will learn in this way and this lesson different words and their formation, and also about shosha and dandana. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.